The UN has expressed fears of a full-scale war as the deadly conflict between Israeli forces and Palestinians continues for a third day.
Begin this hour in the Middle East, where Hamas militants in Gaza have fired another wave of rockets deep into Israeli territory.
Israeli airstrikes continue in Gaza. The worst violence in years is intensifying each day, with dozens killed.
And Israeli forces have been responding with devastating airstrikes on Gaza.
The ongoing conflict and violence between Israel and Palestine has escalated rapidly, turning into a war-like situation. There are clashes between Israelis and Palestinians in Jerusalem, in Gaza, and in other parts like the city of Lod. The number of deaths and injuries are rising. The tension between Israelis and Palestinians can be traced down to decades. But why has it escalated now? Tensions had been building up in Jerusalem since the start of Ramadan in mid-April, but they escalated further in the last 2 weeks, mainly due to two factors. One was that the month end coincided with the Jerusalem Day celebrations. On this day, right-wing Israelis celebrate Israel's capture of the East Jerusalem in the 1967 war. It is usually marked by a flag parade at the Muslim quarter of the old city. Another factor was the threatened eviction of dozens of Palestinian families in Sheikh Jarrah neighborhood of East Jerusalem. Israeli police had set up barricades at the Damascus Gate outside the occupied old city, preventing Palestinians from getting there. On May 7, clashes erupted between Palestinian protesters and the Israeli police. On May 10th, on Jerusalem Day, this growing unrest took a violent turn. Israeli armed forces clashed with thousands of Palestinians in the compound of the Al-Aqsa Mosque. They used rubber bullets, stun grenades, and tear gas to evict them. The raid left over 300 Palestinians and a dozen of policemen injured. This is all at a site which is holy to both the Jews and the Muslims. These clashes in Jerusalem were being watched over by the Hamas, the Palestinian militant group that runs Gaza. They issued an ultimatum to the Israeli troops to stand down from the Al-Aqsa. By evening, the Hamas started launching rockets. Israeli strikes have followed. None have stopped yet. This is the most severe outbreak of violence since the 2014 war, and there is no end game in sight. The unrest in Jerusalem has spread across Israel itself, with an outbreak of communal violence in mixed Jewish Arab communities. Hamas has called for a full-scale Palestinian uprising. The last such uprising also began with violence at the Al-Aqsa Mosque in the 2000s and lasted for more than 5 years. But under all of this remains an unsaid long-term failure of Israel, of Palestine, and of the world in maintaining peace and order.